meeting last night. Napakaganda ng meeting natin last night because last night was a very, very good topic. Yung topic po natin kagabi was about Facebook marketing or online marketing. Ngayon po, itutuloy lang po natin yung ating napag-usapan kagabi, no? So, there. All right. So, exciting, no? Kasi everybody's learning already. So, everybody, ang topic naman natin was to be how to be a secret, what are the secrets to become an online networker? Okay, so run through. First secret, we have to know our branding, personal branding. 'Di ba? Napag-usapan natin yung personal branding, napag-usapan natin yung social media, Facebook marketing, katulad ng ginagawa ni Ana Resio ngayon, she's doing Facebook ads and I'm very proud because sa team natin dalawa ang naka-live ngayon sa Facebook ads. That's Ron and Jen at saka si Miss Ana Resio. So yan. So maximize natin ang ating online platforms and then syempre we pick up personal branding. Choose your personal branding. How do you wanna brand yourself? Okay, me, I brand myself as a young, happy, funny, millionaire, cars, money. Ganun yung branding ko with the young family. Parang ganon. So when you say branding, it's how you wanna package yourself. So clarify your mission. Me, just want to share my mission is to help people become a millionaire in the field of network marketing. My values are very simple. I present every day. I have at least a minimum of pay-ins every week. And every night I'm in centerings. And then lastly, my vision is to have at least 10,000 millionaires under our team and more. Right. So this is just a run through, just a review before we move forward to our next topics. So we need to create values. We need to create contents. So what kind of content do you want to create? Create something that you can educate your clients, your partners, tell them about the business, tell them about your products, tell them about how they can earn, entertain them, medyo magpatawa ka once in a while, kanta-kanta, entertainment, and inspire them through inspirational quotes and so forth, right? You have to engage on social media through GC, group chats, communities, and so forth. And one, lead generation, meaning to say, how do you get prospects? You get prospects through magic hooks, meaning to say, kailangan meron kang magandang hook. Gusto mo bang yumaman in 30 days? Something like that. Alam di ba, paano yumaman 30 days? Kailangan mo ba ng 1 million monthly? May babayaran ka bang malaking-malaking? Kailangan mo lang malaking-malaking pera ngayong taon na 'to? Ask me how, parang gano'n. Something like that. Kanya-kanya naman tayo ng taste, eh. For some people, I don't like it. Some people, they like that. It depends. Lead conversion. So, paano mo mako-convert yung prospect mo to become your downline? And optimization, meaning to say, paano mo sila gagawing leader? Ano ba yung mga strong hook? Ito yung mga you grab their attention, you attract your potential customers, you motivate them. Okay? What are the strong hook? Ayun yung mga free, di ba? Free masterclass seminar. Free secret, the secret to become a millionaire. Effortlessly earn 1 million per month. Ayan, di ba? Every time I do this business, I earn 1 million a month. Some people would like it, some people won't, but there is a market for every word that you say. Okay, di ba? You can use hyperbolic terms like sky high, dominate, the best, super. Ayaw mong tingnan lang yung iyong post, no? Madaanan. So kailangan ma-hook mo sila to using these words. Lucky, money, secret, free, you instant. So paano natin magagawa to? We need to attend conference, we need to attend events, offline or online. We need to attend social media groups at you follow guys social media groups, no, at your own interest. So kailangan dumami na kaibigan mo ngayon. Attend ka sa mga event, sa mga social gathering, forums, diba? Seminars, webinars. Attend ka lang dyan. Online events, connect ka sa mga global connections na ngayon. So, kailangan dumami kaibigan mo ngayon. Sali ka sa gym, enroll ka sa mga gym, enroll ka sa mga kung ano yung gusto mong enrollan, di ba? Create some valuable contents, again, educate your clients, entertain your clients. How do you do that? Find the problem, then provide the solution. For example, problem number 1, wala ka bang pera at kailangan na kailangan mong kumita ng malaki sa lalong madaling panahon? Solution number 1, pwedeng sabihin mo sa kanya, call me, may papakita ko sa'yo, pwede kang kumita ng 1,000,000 kada buwan. For some people would like that, some people won't. Diba? Iba-ibang taste eh. Ako kasi, I like yung ganun eh. Ako lang ang personality, I like yung straightforward. Kailangan na kailangan mo ng pera, gusto mo kumita 1,000,000 kada buwan, tawagan mo ako. Parang ganun ako. That's me. For some naman, medyo light sila eh. Hi guys, you wanna have passive income? Do you want a la la la? And that works for sure. It's just that bawat execution has a certain market. Definitely may market yung for sure yung gagawin mo. And when you do content creation, use infographics or videos. Kasi merong study na mas nagiging effective ang video kesa sa photo. Yung something moving. Either nagsasalita ka, either animated video or infographics, sketch, 'di ba? Kaya tayo guys ngayon ng video presentation, no, for Naomi, for Ana Garcia, Ana Recio, DJ, Ray Renes, everybody. I encourage everybody na gumawa na tayo ng business presentation using our webcam laptop. It doesn't have to be perfect at start. It doesn't have to be perfect. We just have to start somewhere, no? And then along the way, let's improve it. Let's improve the audio, let's improve the video, let's improve the presentation, but we need to start somewhere, which is now. Kung anong meron tayo ngayon, we have a webcam, we have a phone, we have a laptop, PC, record it anywhere you are. It doesn't have to be perfect. Kailangan sa ganito, kailangan sa ganito. I don't think it has to be perfect. Minsan kasi, mas raw yung video, mas ramdam ng tao kaysa masyadong well-prepared. May lightings, may mic, may ganito. Iba yung nagsasalita ka, sometimes may konting ingay sa gilid, yung parang ka nakikipag-usap, kung paano ka nag-iimbita ng kaibigan, nagpe-present sa kaibigan mo offline, you just have to record it. Kung paano ka nagsasalita, nagpapaliwanag sa mga kliyente mo, you just have to record it. Para napapanood nila lagi. Important na pinaka-importante, no, sa goal natin is dapat dumadami tayo sa centering. Diba? Like na-mention ko sa inyo, ang goal mo is everyday meron kang nakikita at least, at least. Wow,
I'm fine. Paano magkakasya?
Si Jen Ro nandito. Good, good. Okay. At least 10. Ang goal natin, leaders, kailangan dumating ang time as soon as possible. Pag tumingin ka sa Zoom mo, dapat 10 leaders mo ang nandiyan. Because kapag 10 leaders mo na ang nasa centering, your business is already duplicating. And the main goal here is to duplicate. Dapat may 10 leaders ka. Next week, next month, next month, next month. Yun ang goal natin. So ngayon, nangingisda pa lang tayo. Gamit ang Facebook, gamit ang presentation, gamit yung mga iba't ibang programs. So ngayon, sa panahon natin ngayon, nangingisda ka. Pag nangisda ka, ang goal mo mahuli sila. Pag nahuli mo na sila, nailagay mo na sila sa kawali, ngayon naman, ang goal natin lutuin sila para maging masarap at may saysay yung kanilang ating naani. Kailangan lutuin natin. Kasi kung gagawin mo na, kukunin mo yung isda, ilalagay mo sa kawali, hindi mo lang niluto, masisira lang yung isda. Mapapanis lang. Kaya po step 1, get the fish. Step 2, put them on the pan. Step 3, cook them in the pan. Yung cooking happens in the centering. Ang goal mo, may 10 kang isdang niluluto gabi-gabi sa centering. Kasi pag ginawa mo yun, busog ang tiyan mo, maniwala ka sa akin. Audio. Hindi, ano yan, that's... Patingin audio mo. Patingin audio. Put up your audio. Oh, I'm seen pala in the Zoom. Oh, I'm touching pa namang may tummy. I thought I'm not seen. Okay. So important is itong main goal natin guys ha. Ang importante dito, dapat makita mo kailangan dumating ang panahon may 10 leader ka na sa centering. Ipupusta ko sa iyo lahat. Pag nangyari 'yon, walang linggong wala kang pay-in. Maniwala ka sa akin. Maniwala ka sa akin. Kahit sa dami mong leaders, 10 lang yung dumating, basta may 10 ka nandiyan dyan sa Zoom, gabi-gabi, passive income ka na nun. Ito, wag na tayong lumayo. Passive income na ako. Because of the numbers I am telling you. Yung sinishare ko sa inyo, these are studied numbers already. These are not hinulaan or something. Numbers will never lie. Okay? So, yun ang goal natin ha. So, kailangan magkaroon tayo ng 10 leaders na sa centering kapag tayo ay nandito. Okay. Step 1, again, let's review. Look for someone to talk to, warm or cold. Step 2, magtatanong ka muna. Always ask, are you open? Are you curious? I'm just curious lang ako. Open ka pa ba sa opportunity na kumita extra 500 to 1 million per month? Kung open ka, let me know. Pero kung hindi, don't worry. Walang problema. Well, I'm not open eh. Networking ba yan? Opo, networking po ito. Ay, ayoko na networking. Uy, thank you very much ha. Buti na lang sinabi mo sa akin na ayaw mo networking. Bakit? At least hindi ako napagod kasi naniniwala talaga ako sa networking pero hindi kita pinipilit. Kung ayaw mo ng networking, I don't think I have to force you. Let's let it be. Just don't believe in networking and I'll just believe in networking and maybe someday we'll cross our paths again. Ganun lang. Ganun ka-decente, guys. I believe everybody here from Elron Kurt to Ann Garcia, Ana Resio, Hailey Harley, DJ Elron Kurt, JM Makopan, Kezaya, Naomi, Ryan Renz, Jen and Ron. I believe and I am confident to say walang pinilit sa inyo to join. Diba? Wala naman eh. So ganun din tayo. Ang principles natin dito, guys, we don't force people. Okay? If some people are doing that, let's just respect them for their strategy. But tayo kasi, we respect our friends and family more than anything. So ako, lagi akong ganun. If you don't like, oh, it's okay. Kapatid ko nga ayaw, okay. Pinsa ko ayaw, okay lang. Kadanay ko ayaw, o di okay lang. Nanay pa din kita. Nga lang, makikita at makikita mo yung difference ng buhay ko sa buhay nyo. Parang ganun. Alright, so let's move forward. So step 3, like I always say, guys, last, sana, alam ko, hindi lahat nakagawa ng video, pero sana on or before Wednesday, meron na kayong video. Kahit sila Krisha, Hailey, Harley, me, we are already creating our videos. I'll be doing different kinds of recording. So, I suggest everybody to do your business presentation video na. Okay? And then next, becoming a successful networker requires dedication, persistence, and willingness to learn and adapt. Leverage of online platform. Okay? So, pipeline natin, we need to get invites, convert them as our downline. Next, we need to duplicate. How do we duplicate? We need to make sure that they are at 9 p.m. centering. Matanda, bata, puyat, or hindi. We need to make sure that we are duplicating. Okay? ano yung pipeline natin. So, yung susunod na mga seminars natin dito, we will have a Facebook ads tutorial with the help of our friends here, with the help of Miss Ana Resio, with the help of Ron and Jen. Natutulong din sa atin para maunawaan. Kasi tayong lahat, halos lahat Jurassic dito eh. Ano ba yung Facebook ads? Hindi ba dapat ganyan? So magbibigay po sila Ana Resio, sila Jen and Ron ng kanilang mga kwento about sa journey nila sa pagke-create ng ads. So ituturo po nila sa atin yan after natin dun sa mga succeeding modules natin. From Facebook ads, babagsak to sa inyong website or what we call now Facebook page at babagsak to sa inquiry, yung tagasagot ng inquiry natin. 'Di ba? Na-experience natin pag nag-inquire tayo online, 'di ba? Pag nagpindot ka lang is this available, may sumasagot na. Hindi naman yung tao yung sumasagot, may chatbot. So chatbot is a simply automated replier. Then our main goal is for them to see your video, na your beautiful and handsome face video. That's the goal. Okay? Now, why are we doing this? We just want to target the right prospect. So we don't want to waste time talking to people na ayaw naman ng negosyo, ayaw naman ng magbago buhay, ayaw ng milyon kada buwan, ayaw ng networking. Gusto na lang simpleng buhay daw. Alam mo, every time I hear, alam mo guys mahal ko kayo, pero do not say that. Do not. Yung simple lang. Wag guys, wag. Mahal ko kayo. God wants you to not to have God wants you to have a big life. Maniwala ka. Nadidinig kasi natin sa ibang tao, so na-absorb natin, so na-apply natin. Pero you know what? God wants you to have a big life. Naomi, God wants you to have a big life. He wants you to have a big life, a luxury life, an inspirational life. Because if that will be your life, for sure, number one, you can help a lot of people. Number two, you are you are living the way God wants you to live. 'Di ba? A prosperous life. Wala namang sinabi si Lord na gusto ko sakto lang buhay mo Yung kita mo ito lang, ganyan lang ano mo. Pag may lumalapit sa kaibigan mo, humihiram sa'yo, nangungutang sa'yo, wala kang mabigay kasi wala ka. Ayaw niya ng gano'n. Gusto niya abundance. 'Di ba? Sabi niya, I want you to live an abundance life. So, dapat yun ang goal natin, guys. Refrain natin sabihin na, I want a simple. No, no, no. Don't say that. Sabihin mo, I want a big abundant life because I can help more people in my family. Wag na tayo lumayo. Mas matutulungan ko ang sarili ko. Hindi ako magiging pabigat sa anak ko, sa asawa ko, sa nanay ko, sa mga kamag-anak ko, sa mga kaibigan ko. Kasi kung wala kang pera, pabigat ka. Uutang ka sa asawa mo, sa nanay mo, sa kaibigan mo. Uutang at uutang ka lang. So do it for not only for being a charitable, tutulong. No, no, no. Do it for yourself para maging mapagaan ka sa mundo. Okay? And also, syempre, as an inspiration. We're doing this to have prospects, to message us, to visit our website, and syempre, our final touch is to watch your video. 95% of networkers are quitting because they stop because they don't have budget already for pang-ikot. Did you know that Facebook has 76 million active social media users in the Philippines? So, pwede mo i-touch yan. Imagine guys nung June 7, 2017, 2 billion ang users ng Facebook. And that was 2017. And every day, nadadagdagan ng Facebook user. Social media, guys. Let's enter the world of social media. I'm encouraging everybody, myself also. I'm encouraging myself and our team. Let's all dive into the world of social media. Why? Because this will give us unlimited prospects. This will give us a easier way for us to advertise our business, easier way to capture a wider market. But again, let's be ready. Let's be practical. Hindi to get rich quick. Hindi rin po to mag-Facebook ads ka ngayon 100 bukas, isang linggo, isang buwan, 3 buwan, wala kang pay-in. Ay, pangit, pangit. Hindi ganon. Remember, nagpa-flyering ka nga, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. Namimigay ka, ni isa walang sumagot, pero bukas magpa-flyering ka ulit. So, ganun din to. Give yourself at least a year. Investan mo 100 pesos per day. For 1 year, that's 100 pesos per day, 3,000 per month, 3,000 times 12. That's around 36,000 per year. I don't think that's too big for a business operation. 36,000 per year. I don't think it's big. I think if you will give yourself 12 months, every day, at least 100 pesos. Set meetings online para hindi ka makagastos. Pag talagang gusto kang makita, di lumabas ka, i-meet mo. Hatawin mo yung pag-online marketing mo, video mo, pa-improve natin yung pagandahin natin. Araw-araw i-send natin yung video mo sa maraming tao. Araw-araw mag-ads tayo, araw-araw mag-flyering tayo, araw-araw makipag-meet tayo sa labas, makipag-meet sa online. Alam nyo guys, share ko lang sa inyo, even si Krisha, tanong niya sa kanya, from the moment I wake up until I close my eyes, kulang na yung araw ko sa dami ng kausap ko. May binubo, may tinitraining, may kinikipig, may binubo, may tinitraining, may kinikipig. Ang dami. Dati wala akong kausap kahit isa. Pinipilit ko pa sila Ana Garcia, punta naman kayo ng office, walang tao dito. Pag hindi sila pumunta sila Ann Garcia, sila Kurt, ako yari, ako lang mag-isa doon. Pero alam mo ngayon, nakakatuwa, ang dami na natin. Di ba? So, ang goal natin guys here is, ayaw mo na maghabol sa mga prospects. No? Ayaw mo na maghabol ng mga tao, ayaw mo na magsinungaling, ayaw mo na gumamit ng mga, tara, let's catch up, let's have coffee, and blah, blah, blah. You know? So, anong gagawin natin? Okay, clear the pipeline na, review. Magpo-prospecting tayo. Okay, bakit? Prospecting is the underrated talent. Kung magaling kang mag-present, that's another story. Pero kung magaling kang mag-prospect, that's a different story. Kasi kahit magaling kang mag-present, wala ka namang kausap, bali wala. Tatalunin ka ng taong magaling mag-prospect. Paano mo, pag sinabi mong prospecting, ito yung ginagawa mo, imbitahan ng tao panoorin yung video mo. Kung ayaw nilang manood, old school sila, gusto nila makipag-meet up sa'yo. Tara, let's meet up in Glorieta. In ganito. Okay, let's meet up. May ganun talaga eh. May mga tao talagang gusto offline. Meet mo. Baka Agila eh. May mga tao talaga pupuntahan mo sa Tarlac. Pupuntahan mo sa Dubai. Pupuntahan mo sa Cebu, Davao. May ganun. Pero wag mo i-turn down 'yan. Malay mo Agila mo 'yon, di ba? Invite them for a presentation. Ang goal mo ma-present sa kanila eh. Then, syempre, mapa-join mo sila. Diba? Again, ang pipeline natin, create prospects, have them see your presentation, and then bring them here for the duplication. Ang goal natin bago matapos ang July, dapat may 10 kang leader na nag-a-attend sa centering natin for the duplication. Don't worry, wala ka naman gagawin eh. Nagpapahinga ka nga lang eh. Ako na ang magagawa nung para sa'yo. Mayroon akong mga training modules na hinanda para sa'yo. Now, let's start! Ba, nagulat. Become a master prospector, di ba? For some people, I want to become a master, blah, 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 blah. I want to be a master in presentation, master. Step number 1, you have to be a master prospector to be successful in this business. Sa Tagalog, kailangan magaling ka ma-prospect. If you're talking to everybody, you're talking to no one. If you're talking to one person, you're talking to someone. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo pwedeng kausapin ang lahat ng tao na alam mo 'yon, kailangan meron kang skills sa prospecting. Pwedeng matanda, pwedeng bata, pwedeng single woman, pwedeng double man or whatever. Basketball player, di ba? It doesn't matter. Remember, para maging master prospector, kailangan mataas ang leads mo. Ibig sabihin ng leads, madami ka appointment. Kasi pag wala kang lead, wala kang appointment. Wala kang presentation. Pag wala kang appointment, wala kang presentation, wala kang pinisentan ngayong araw na to, wala kang benta. Kaya dahil wala kang benta, wala kang income. Ganon kasimple yun. Huwag mo nang pasakitin yung ulo mo. Bakit ganon? 1 month na ako. 2 months na ako. 3 months na ako. 1 week na ako dito. Wala pa din akong pay-in. Okay, diretsohin na kita. Wala ka kasing leads. Ano yung lead? Wala kang nakakausap. Lagi ka kasing nahihiya. Ba, ay nahihiya ako, baka ayaw niya. Ay, baka hindi niya gusto to. Ay, andiyan dyan na yung katabi mo na. Hindi mo pa pinesenta. Kasi nahihiya, natatakot, di ba? Okay, I have one tip for you guys. To become a master prospector, ito guys you don't have to become a salesperson. Okay, take away that equation Take that away na kaya mo siya kakausapin kasi gusto mo siyang bentahan. Dapat tanggalin mo yon. Kailangan, ganito isipin mo kaya mo siya representan kasi gusto mo siya maging kaibigan. Ganun lang. Ulitin ko representan mo siya, hindi para sumali siya. Representa mo siya kasi gusto mo siya maging kaibigan. Become a friend. Sumali man o hindi yan, okay lang tayo. Dapat ganun. To become a master prospector, you need to care for others. Because people, they know if you only talk to them para lang sa pera. Dapat you care for them. How do you care for them? Brother, kamusta ka? Ayos lang. Okay. Kamusta pamilya mo? Okay lang din. Oh. Kamusta naman yung ano mo? Pinagkakitaan mo ngayon. Ayun, konti pa lang eh. Dami kong gastos eh. Doon malalaman mo kaagad, kailangan niya ng pera. Sabi mo sa kanya, brother, ganito Hindi, dediretsohin na kita. Open ka pa ba sa opportunity? Baka sakali makatulong sa sitwasyon mo eh. Single mom ka, yung sweldo mo nagkukulang sa pamilya mo dahil 4 kayo, ikaw lang ang inaasahan, or pwedeng, uy, asawa mo ba sa ibang bansa? Oh, baka pwede sa ito, baka sakali mapauwi mo ang asawa mo. Kasi dito pagka pinagtrabaho niyo tong dalawa, meron nga kumikita dito 1 million per month. Kung tututukan ninyo, pag-aaralan yung dalawa, pwede din yung kitain yung kinikita nila. So you have to put care. Kailangan lagyan mo ng value kung bakit mo siya kinakausap. Kasi kung nakatutok ka lang doon sa 2,500 direct referral, 1,500 direct referral, mawawala yan eh. Alam nila, parang ganito na lang kayo. Kung ganun ang mindset ko, dapat ngayon tulog na ako. Kasi quota na ako eh. Quota na ako this week, last week, every week quota na ako. But I care. Sumeke na ako. But still, I care for my partners. Dapat ganun ka din. They need to feel that you care for them. Hindi yung, okay, nakuha ko na yung 1.5 ko. Okay, bye-bye. You know, a master prospector are the people who prioritize others before themselves. Ate Vanji, kamusta ka na? O ba't nakita ko parang namumroblema ka? Parang ano ba problema mo ngayon? May kailangan ko nga ng pera kasi ano ko, yung kapatid ko na ganito, kailangan na. Okay. Ate Vanji, kung open ka lang, kasi meron akong opportunity. Meron ako isang negosyo na kinuha ko sa Maynila. Dito kumikita mga kaibigan ko, kumikita ng 500 to 1 million per month. Open ka pa ba sa ganong klaseng opportunity? Siyempre, una sa tatanungin sa inyo, networking ba yan? Actually, Ate Vergie, gusto ko maging honest sa'yo. Opo, networking siya. Ay, ayoko niyan. Ay, Ate Vergie, nire-respeto ko yon. Sige, hindi ko na sa'yo i-represent. Alam mo kung ganun ka at magpapasalamat ka pa, thank you, sinabi mo sa akin ayaw mo. Alam mo, babalik sa'yo yun. One biggest testimonial ko was last night. Yesterday, Starbucks. May invite si Hailey. May pinag-uusapan. Diniretso ko talaga, do you want networking? Sabi niya, I don't like networking. Sabi ko, thank you very much. Thank you so much, you told me na ayaw mo. Because I don't like selling, sabi ko, okay, okay, sige, I will not present to you anymore. Tapos sabi ko, so what do you wanna do? Ay, sabi niya, I like promoting, sabi ko. Sa utak ko lang You don't like selling, pero you like promoting. Parang gusto kong tusukin sa ilong yung kausap ko, eh. But sa utak ko lang yun. Ayaw daw niya ng selling, pero gusto daw niya mag-promote. Paano yun? So tumahimik na ako, hindi na ako nakipagtalo. Okay, no presentation. Ayaw mo, di wag. Siguro in-stalk niya yung Facebook ko, Instagram ko. Sabi niya sa akin, "Sir, if you have time, let me know when we can catch up again." Oh, babalik eh. Kasi nakita nila, disenteng tao 'to si Ana Recio, si Ana Garcia. Alam mo 'yun? Parang, 'pag tinignan naman nila yung profile natin sa social media, kaya by the way, pa-follow ka lagi. 'Pag may na-meet ka, "Can you follow me?" Para makulitan sa mga post mo. You know, the right mindset, guys, is like this. The right mindset is, how can it benefit my prospect? Kailangan yun lang iniisip mo eh. Ano ba magiging benepisyo ng mga prospect mo pag sumali sila sa'yo? Dapat sinasabi mo sa kanila yon. Alam mo, pag sumali ka sa akin, kapatid, in 6 months, pagtatrabaho natin, kikita ka ng 1 million. Lagi ko sinasabi sa sponsor ko yan. Kay Ana Garcia, kay Ana Recio, kay Hailey Harlin, kay Harley, kila, kila, sino yung mga sponsors ko? Yan. Lahat sa inyo. Lagi ko sinasabi yan. 6 months, may 1 million ka. Because ando doon ako nakafocus, anong benefit ng prospect ko? Ganun ka din dapat sa mga leaders mo. 3 months, kuha mo na yung motor mo. 6 months ko. Kasi, it's a benefit for them. You are giving them a reason why they will do the business. Remember, we are motivated by our goals in life. Bigyan mo sila ng aspiration. Bigyan mo sila ng pangarap. Diba, kanina umaga guys, puntahan niyo yung coaching gusto niyo, bahay na gusto niyo, pera na gusto niyo, sulat niyo sa cheque niyo. Kapag yung kausap mo, ayoko na naman ganyan. Ay, naku, lumayo ka na dyan. Ibig sabihin, wala. Ayaw ng Panginoon ng ganon. Diba? God wants you to have vision. God wants you to have dreams. Your age will never stop your dream. Gusto niya, you keep on dreaming. Noong unang panahon nga sila Moses, sila yung mga mga nasa Biblia, tumatanda sila hanggang 300, 400, 500 years old. 500 years old may pangarap pa. Ikaw 50 years old, feeling mo matanda ka na, tusukin kita sa ilong. Matanda na ako, senior na ako. Hindi ka senior. Yun nga sila, 500 years old, nagtatrabaho pa, nanganganak pa, may pangarap pa. Kung nakikinig ka dito, you're 50 years old, you're 60 years old, you're 70 years old, sweetheart, you're very young. You're very young. Always don't forget the the kid in you. Yung dating naalala mo nung bata ka, yung parang lahat ng bagay libre. Daddy, I wanna go there. Mommy, you buy me this. Mommy, I like this. Go to Toy Story, go to Disneyland. Mommy, I wanna eat this. I want a Lamborghini. I wanna like that. I wanna be a millionaire. I wanna be an astronaut. I wanna be a doctor. Parang ang dami mo I wanna be. Huwag mong tatanggalin yun dahil sabi mo sa akin 50 ka na, 60 ka na, 70 ka na, senior ka na, binigyan ka na ng munisipyo ng senior card. Wag, kapatid. Bata ka pa. Hangga't dumidilat ka, bata ka pa. Wag mong tatanggalin yung bata sa loob mo. Yung laging nangangarap, laging naghahanap ng excitement sa buhay. Never say simple lang. Never say dito na lang ako. Never say okay na to. Wag, ayaw niya. Jeremiah 29:11, God wants you to prosper an abundant life, infinite supply of love, not only money, infinite supply of love, joy, peace, patience, gentleness, meekness, and self-control, full of peace in life, full of abundance and in money. Money is a God's energy. Hindi siya evil. Lack of money, no? Money is evil. Kasi nakakapatay ka, sasaktan mo anak mo, sasaktan mo asawa mo, iiwanan mo pamilya mo, bakit wala kang pera eh? Money is God's energy. When you say abundance, you can provide your needs and wants. So wag niyong layuan ng pera. Sa teleserye natin nakuha yun. Once this man said, Zig Ziglar, when you have a lot of people, you're also helping yourself. Mag-focus ka tumulong sa maraming taong makuha ang pangarap nila. Habang ginagawa mo 'to, kinakarma ka. Ito lang ang negosyo na madami kang tulungan na tao. May kaibigan kang nagtatrabaho, hirap na hirap, pasok mo dito. Meron kang kamag-anak na nakikipagsapalaran sa ibang bansa, ipasok mo sa negosyo mo dito. Meron kang kaibigan na hanggang ngayon wala pa din break sa buhay, pasok mo dito. May kaibigan kang single mom, single dad, may kaibigan kang fresh graduate, may kaibigan kang tinakwil ng pamilya ng magulang, kailangan ng income, dali mo dito. This is not about 2-5 and 1-5. This is about helping people have a financial passive income in the future. See the bigger picture, guys. This is not about 1-5 or 2-5. This is about changing one person's life. From a person who believes working for money from 8 to 5 for looking for companies and up until they grow old and then they just get their separation pay. That's it. You are getting them out from that circle. Kasi we were programmed like that eh. Even my mom, before, anak, magpag-aral ka, tapos ka, para pag nakagraduate ka, hanap ka ng trabaho, pag nahanap ka ng trabaho, mas maganda, magpunta ka sa ibang bansa para dollar ang kikitain mo. Awa ng Diyos, ginawa ng nanay ko yun. Nag-aaral siya, trabaho siya, empleyado siya for 20 years, nag-ibang bansa din siya. Ginawa niya lahat ng sinabi niya sa akin. Lahat ng sinabi niya, hindi ko ginawa. Isa lang, tinapos ko lang yung pag-aaral ko, pero the rest hindi. Wala akong minamaliit. Ang sinasabi ko lang yung reality, yung resulta iba. Minsan kasi may mga mahal tayo sa buhay, they just teach us or guide us the way they were also programmed. I'm telling you guys, in my experience also. I may have small experience, but somehow I've seen a person living from paycheck to paycheck. I've seen a person put up a traditional business, invest ng malaking pera, hintay ng taon bago makabawi, minsan nalulugi. I've seen a lot of restaurant owners, gas station owners, mga big time. I've seen them and I've seen a life of a networker. You know what? I choose to become a networker. Huwag na tayong lumayo. Kung kikwentuhan kami nila Boss Carl. Sila Boss Carl ang nagkaroon ng unang Ferrari nila after I think 8 years, 9 years, 10 years bago sila nagka-Ferrari. Eh networker, 6 months lang may Ferrari ka na. Because yung kinikita nila, ibinabalik pa nila sa negosyo. Pag networker ka, yung kinikita mo, pinang-shopping mo na lang. Sila, bago pa sila mag-shopping, babayaran mo na nila yung payroll, babayaran yung upa, sakit ng ulo sa abogado, sakit na. Tayo hindi. Pag tsumeki ka, kakainin mo na lang yun eh. Kasi alam mo, next week, meron ka na ulit. Meron na nag-develop ng product mo, may nagbabayad ng opisina mo, may nagbabayad ng payroll mo, may nagbabayad ng kuryente, billboard mo, advertising mo. Yun ang maganda sa networking. Kaya nga guys, huwag niyo nang pahirapan yung sarili niyo. Kung maliit ang paniningin niyo sa networkers, baliktad, mas mali. Ang dami kong negosyante na kilala na, ay, boss ako, I'm the CEO, I'm the owner, I'm the shareholder. Wala namang pera. I am the owner, the president, I am the vice president, I am the owner, shareholder. Tatalunin ko pa siya kung nga naka-Rolls Royce eh. Networker ako, tapos sasabihin mo, networker lang yan. Paano mo sabihin networker lang yan? 2 milyon kada buwan? 3 sports car? Fully paid ng bahay tsaka kondo? Buwan-buwan may 2 milyon? Ano yung networker? Ano yung lang doon? Nasaan yung lang? Dapat binabaliktad nyo. Wala, traditional business lang yan. Bago kumita na 1 milyon yan, patayan yan. O, kung gusto niya maging brutal din sa kanila, but we're not like that. Iangat nyo ang trabaho natin dahil mas maraming yumayaman sa ginagawa natin kaysa sa ginagawa nila. Facade lang ang ego na lang ginagawa nila. Alright? So number 4, monster last 5 minutes! Master prospectors study what their prospect wants. When you prospect someone, kailangan, I believe, wag din yung massive. Maganda yung one-on-one mo. Para na ibibigay mo yung gusto. Alamin mo ano ba yung gusto ng mga prospect mo. Katulad ako, ang minamassive ko ngayon, mga 25 pababa. Ano ba mga gusto nito mga to? Kotse, dream life, Lamborghini, konting yabang, konting upbeat music. Ano ba yung mga wants nila? Ano ba yung mga interest nila? You need to study what they want. For example, ang prospect mo, single moms. Ano ba yung mga gusto nila? Simulan mo dun yung content mo. Single mom ka ba? Nahihirapan ka to provide for your family? Huwag kang magalala, ako din ganyan. Ituturo ko sa'yo, paano ko napapagawa yung kondo ko, paano ko nakakabili ng kotse, paano ko nakaka-tour every month, paano ko napoprovide sa pamilya ko ang lahat ng pangailangan nila. Senda mo ko ng PM, papakita ko sa'yo. Tapos, ganun lang kasimple. Study your prospects. For example, DJ, you're a young entrepreneur. Taga probinsya ka ba? Taga Laguna ka ba? Bata ka ba na naghahanap ng opportunity? Kasi may matatouch kang ganun, ha? Oo, taga Laguna ako. Naghahanap nga ako opportunity. Kailangan maramdaman, pag pinanood nila yung video mo, feeling nila kinakausap mo sila, kailangan umabot ka dun. Know what your prospect wants. Remember, people, they don't love yung binebentahan sila. Ayaw nila nun. Di ba kung sino, excuse me ma'am, gusto mo ba ng ganito ma'am? Okay ba? Ma'am, di ba lahat tayo, I don't like. Pero may mga nasa mall tayo, mga nakapatong na doon, ikaw pa lalapit, ikaw pa bibili. Kailangan ganun. Huwag mong pinipilit. Hayaan mo silang lumapit. Mag-ads ka, okay, lumapit sila. Mag-flyer ka, lumapit sila. Mag-tarpaulin ka, di lumapit sila. Hindi naman tayo naglalako eh. Remember, kailangan nila tayo. At wag ka din sasama loob kasi ang Pilipino mas gusto niya nagsha-shopping kaysa nagbi-business. Kaya pansinin mo, third world country tayo. Because people finds their happiness in spending, not investing, not earning money. As we end, people do not buy because they need. People buy because they want. People, they buy because of fear. Naku ma'am, pag di mo to binili, pag di mo to ininom, magkaka-diabetes ka, mamamatay ka. Di ba? Natatakot sila eh. Pag di mo to binili ngayong araw na to, nako, bukas times 2 na presyo nito. Nagigilty na yan. Or sometimes people, they join you because they trust you. Sasali ako kay DJ, Kiray, Kiren kasi pinsan ko yan eh. And I've seen, napakagaling talaga niyang taong yan. So, you have to trigger these areas, guys, no? You have to trigger fear, yung kinakatakutan nila. For example, ganito. As we end, last 2 minutes. Meron ka bang credit card na kailangan bayaran at hindi mo na alam kung paano bayaran at naiinis ka tawag ng tawag sa iyong bangko araw-araw? At hindi mo na alam kung sinong uutangan mo, sinong lalapitan mo, sinong kakausapin mo para makahiram ka ng pera para mabayaran mo ang credit card mo? Kapatid, kung naghahanap ka at kailangan mo kumita ng kalahating milyon at hanggang 1 milyon kada buwan, tawagan mo ako. Sorry guys, ako yun raw na raw kasi ako eh. Ako yung raw na guy. Ayoko masyadong maraming pulburon eh. Didiretsuhin kita. Kaya ganun ako mag-post. Pero hindi ko, it's up to you kung gusto mong gawin yan. Pero it works for me. So, this will be your guide. Send some fear, send some guilt, send some trust in your invitations, in your leads. Right. So, I think it's already 9:59. That's it for today. Itutuloy natin to sa Monday. Bukas po ay Linggo. Linggo na naman bukas. So, wala pong tayong centering. At, pause, stop recording.